Hello everyone. Today I'd like to show you how to change your external wireless adapter from managed mode to the monitor mode to start your wireless practice. First thing, what you need to do, you need to go to devices, USB settings, and you need to make sure to add your wireless adapter here. Just click this and make sure this is added. So my wireless adapter's chipset is from Ralink. It's different maybe for you, maybe you are using TP-Link or any other brand. Just choose it here and click OK. Then to make sure to know what's your chipset, just write Airodump NG, enter. So mine is Ralink. For you, you will come to know what is it. Then make sure from devices, USB, make sure this tick mark is here. Okay, then what you can do is you can start with Airodump NG, check kill. This command will kill any process, interfere or disturb the work of monitor mode of the wireless adapter. Press enter and it will list the killed processes. We have one process killed, and the network manager here also will be killed and disabled. After this, just write iwconfig to see what's your wireless adapter name. Normally it will be WLAN 0 and it will be in default mode, in the managed mode. Then you can write ifconfig and the name of the wireless adapter, then make it down, enter. Then you can write iwconfig, again WLAN 0 mode monitor, enter. Then you can write again ifconfig WLAN 0 and make the adapter up. This is one of the methods. Then if you check again iwconfig, you can find this. It was managed and now it is monitor. Another way what you can do, if we just disconnect this from here and reconnect it back, okay, connected. If we write iwconfig, again it's in managed mode. What you can do, just write Airodump NG, check kill, the same command. Then Airodump NG start WLAN 0. If you do this, it will change the name from WLAN 0 to WLAN 0 mon, where if you write iwconfig here, you will find WLAN 0. Both ways it will work, but what I prefer, just to work fine, after you do Airodump NG check kill, and after you write Airodump NG start WLAN 0, just do ifconfig WLAN 0 down. Sorry, you have to write the new name, WLAN 0 mon, ifconfig WLAN 0 mon down, enter. Then iwconfig WLAN 0 mon mode monitor, then ifconfig WLAN 0 up. Now if you check iwconfig, it will become in the monitor mode.